We went to the grocery store yesterday, so I needed to put up our grocery bag. They're the Lotus Trolley Bag, and I really, really like these. I've had them for a while, and these are probably my favorite grocery bags that I've ever had for like reusable shopping bags. So the one I'm fooling with now is like the insulated bag, so you can keep your frozen food in it and it won't melt in your car, which I really, really like those bags. I have a lot of those and they come in handy a lot, especially in the summer. And their bags have these little rods in them so that they stand up in your cart, and they've got tons of like pockets and little like sections in them for wine bottles or like little things. Like I keep a lot of like our coupons in these little pockets inside of the bags, and they all fold up together really, really nice and stay like nice and organized, and we just keep them in our pantry. And then they're produce bags as well, so they've got really, really pretty produce bags that you can get, and they all match, so it's like very nice, very aesthetic. We love things that look nice, we love aesthetic things, and it makes your whole like grocery shopping trip so much better because everything is so nice and organized and pretty,